second graders. How are you doing? Well, we are going to move a little further with our new rhythm this week, and we were finding it in some songs last week, and this time we are going to focus on the songs that it's in, and we're going to see if we can find out how many beats it has. All right, we're going to start off today with reviewing our rhythms. So let's do some echoing. I'll go first. Tee-tee-ta, ticka-ticka-ta. Ticka-ticka, tee-tee-ta, rest. Ta, tee-tee-ta, rest. Ticka-ticka, ticka-ticka, tee-tee-ta. All right, good. Let's see. So what we're going to do today is we're going to review what we know so far. And then we're going to, again, find out how many beats that new rhythm is. We're going to sing 3 songs that have it, and we're going to figure out in each one where it is and how many beats that new rhythm is. So let's start with our ta, which musicians call quarter note. And that is 1 sound over 1 beat. All right, TT is how many sounds over how many beats? 2 sounds over 1 beat. And musicians call TTs 1/8 notes, right? 1/2 and 1/2 together make 1. Just like a half an orange and a half an orange, put them back together magically, that would be 1 orange, not 2. And then we have rest, which is 1 silence over 1 beat. And musicians just call that a quarter rest. This is a quarter note, sound on 1 beat. 1 sound over 1 beat, and this is 1 silence over 1 beat, so a quarter rest. All right, and ticka-tickas, we have 4 sounds over how many beats? Only 1 beat. So now if I take my orange again, my whole orange, and I split it up into 4 parts, and I have 3 friends, including myself, so now there's 4 of us together. We're each going to eat an orange, but we need equal parts. So how much of an orange did I make for each person? 1 out of 4. We call that 1/4, right? So each one is worth 1/4 to make 1 beat. So musicians call ticka-tickas, do you remember? 16th notes. So quarter note, 1/8 note, 16th notes. Let's say that together. Quarter note, 1/8 notes, 16th notes. Okay? All right, let's sing Seashell. Clap our hands and see if we can find out how many beats that new note has. Ready, here's your first note for Seashell. Ready, go. Seashell, seashell, sing a song for me. Sing about the ocean, sing about the sea. Let's pat our laps, because that's going to tell us how many beats it is. Did you hear where it was? All right, let's try it. Ready, go. Seashell, seashell, sing a song for me. Sing about the ocean, sing about the sea. Which 2 words had the long sound on it? Me. And what other one? Sing about the sea. Sea. All right, how many times did we pat our lap when we were singing me and sea? Let's see. Ready, go. Seashell, seashell, sing a song for me. Sing about the ocean, sing about the sea. How many did you count? 2. All right, so we have 2 beats in our new rhythm. Wow, it's a long sound. Long sound. And it's 2 beats. Okay, let's see if we can find the long sound with 2 beats in the next song, Cripple Creek. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This one is a fast one with your hands beating the beat fast, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Going up to Cripple Creek, going on the run. Going up to Cripple Creek to have some fun. Did you hear it? All right, let's see if we can figure out where that is. Let's sing it kind of slow this time. Ready, go. words had the long sound that's 2 beats? Did you find them? Fun and run. All right, let's sing it again. Ready, go, going up to Cripple Creek, going on the run, going up to Cripple Creek to have some fun. Did you hear that? And notice how we sang that, the word run and fun. We didn't go run, we went run. And musicians always, well, not always, but oftentimes will take a word on a long sound and they won't put the end of the word until the end of that sound. So if we finish the word right away, then we're going to close our mouth and people won't hear it and it'll kind of sound strange. So if we did run, that would sound strange, but it would sound more normal if we did run and put the N on count 2. So just a little thing that musicians do. Let's do Immortal Invisible. Immortal. And we're going to try to find that while we pat our laps. Okay? Now, this is a somewhat long song, just one verse, but see if you can figure out and remember what words that were long. Okay? Here we go. Immortal, invisible, God only wise, in light, inaccessible, hid from our eyes, most gracious, most glorious, the ancient of days, almighty, victorious, God's great name we praise. Whoa, there's a lot of words in there. Did you remember what words were long? Okay, this time we'll stop on that long one. Hopefully you know where it is. Ready, here we go. Immortal, invisible, God only wise. Did you hear it? What word? Wise. And notice I didn't go wise. I went wise. So the S comes in on count 2. Good. Let's figure out the next phrase. In light, inaccessible, hid from our eyes. Did you hear it? Eyes. Good. And eyes is eyes. Let's sing that with me. Ready, go. Eyes. Good. And that way the choir can all sound like one and make that S at the same time instead of eyes. Everybody sounds like there's a bunch of hissing throughout the choir. All right, let's figure out the last part. Ready, most gracious, most glorious, the ancient of days. Is it in there? Not yet. Keep going. Almighty, almighty, victorious, God's great name we praise. Was it there? Praise, that's right. Praise. Let's sing that with the S at the second beat. Ready, go, praise. All right, good job. So we figured out where the new sound is, and we also figured out that it's 2 beats. And if it's 2 beats, but it only has one sound, then we're going to have to do something like this. Here's our 2 beats. And 1 question mark. Wow. Okay, we haven't learned any rhythm yet that has 1 sound over 2 beats. But we're going to discover a little bit more about it next week, maybe even discover the name of it. That's coming for sure soon. I will see you next time. Good job.